Hey y'all, what's good? It's Peyton and today I'm back with another video. As you all have read by the title, today I'm coming at y'all with a really quick and fast hair review and installation for this unit that I received from Nadula Hair. So finally here to answer all you guys' questions. I feel like everybody's been asking me about this hair the past like 2 weeks that I've been wearing it. So let's go ahead and sit tight. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the install. It's gonna be really fast because this is a closure wig, and then I'm gonna come back and give y'all a little mini unboxing, tell y'all how I like the hair thus far and everything else that y'all need to know. Without further ado, let's hop right in, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright you all, so that was it for my installation. Super quick, wasn't it? I swear that install probably took me like 15-20 minutes, but ever since I installed it the first time, it only takes me like 10 minutes to do my hair. I literally just take it off and put it back in. Okay, so moving on to the specs of this hair. This wig is Nadula Hair's 4x4 a lace closure mid-part human hair wig. It's a straight wig, it's Brazilian hair, it's 24 inches, and like I said, this is a 4x4 closure, so it only goes from basically the top of my eyebrow arches on each side. It basically starts like right here, so it's not that much space, but I feel like one, the closure makes it so much easier to install. 2, it makes it so much easier to maintain. And 3, it's just a really quick and easy little hairstyle. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't always been a fan of like closure wigs, especially 4x4 closure wigs. I usually like a 5x5 because it looks a little bit more like a frontal, but something about this wig is just different. The lace is really nice and transparent. The baby hair didn't have no issues customizing it. I did only do 2 swoops on each side. I need to like spoofing up my baby hairs a little bit. And also the lace kind of like was perfectly see-through, so I didn't even have to do like a ball cap method or nothing like that. I just wear a brown wig cap underneath. So I'm sad because I kind of wish this was brown, because when you wear light wig caps like this, you have to do the ball cap method or you do brown and it'll just mesh better. But that's if you're my skin color, because I know some people lighter, darker have to experiment with their wigs and their lace a little bit differently. But yeah, so I've been wearing this wig for like 2 weeks, and honestly I love this wig. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's been so easy to install. I haven't had no issues with it. The only thing I would say is it's like a good amount of shedding, but it's not too much shedding to where it's like, oh my god, it sheds way too much. I don't get no tangling, and I will let y'all know I went to the gym in this hair multiple times. I think I went to the gym in this hair at least 4 times, and I just ended up putting it in like a little ponytail. So I did get some sweat on this hair. I did wash this hair twice already. I bleached the knots, customized the lace a little bit. It only took me like 20-30 minutes to customize the lace. I love the fact that there's no difference in like the hair texture from the closure and the rest of the hair and the rest of the wig, because sometimes you can get like a straight wig, especially like a closure straight wig, and like the hair in the front kind of does that like little bendy thing, or kind of like reverts in the front. This hair, I don't have no problems with that. I don't have no issues with it. Like, so for this hair with all the specs that I mentioned, this wig is $225, and there's also going to be a promo code. I believe this hair is probably going to be on sale, but all the information will be in the description box below. Definitely give this hair a 10 out of 10. Definitely one of my favorite little closure wigs. I feel like this is a wig that I'm not letting go no time soon, because this is one of those wigs, like if your hair is not done and you need to do your hair real quick, pop your wig cap on, pop this wig on in like 10-15 minutes and just go out the door. Unless you have to wash it, then that's different. But after wearing it to the gym for about like 3 days, it started getting oily on like the 5th day, so I just ended up washing it, and then I've had it on for another week. Definitely love this hair, no complaints. Worked with Nadula Hair like one other time, and I honestly like this wig much better than the other wig that they sent me. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried any any wigs from Nadula Hair, how you guys are liking them, how you guys are liking this unit, or if y'all are going to purchase this unit. I definitely recommend it. I think this wig is super duper bomb, and since it's so easy to put on, I usually just take it off and just put it on the next day, just re-glue it. And I've been doing glueless installs with my Got2b spray as shown in the installation video. If I don't want to take it out and I'm kind of lazy, I'll just leave it on my head, put on a little adjustable strap headband, and put on a bonnet with a ponytail. I did that a couple times and the hair still looks bomb the next day. Just have to comb it out and straighten it. It's easy either way. Like if you sleep in it, it's really easy to just fix in the morning. If you take it off, it's really easy to just install the next day. So 100% like this wig is 10 out of 10 for like maintenance, and also it's just really good quality. Like a lot of people have been thinking that I have on a frontal wig, but no. Last but not least, like I said, this hair is 24 inches on me. Just want to go ahead and show y'all where that falls on me before I end off the video. So I am 5'6.5", and 24 inches sits basically right underneath, or like right at the tip of my hip. This is usually where 24 inches fits. This is also kind of how it looks from the back. It does like basically touch the tip of my butt. So that was basically it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all are going to get this unit, or if you guys have gotten any hair from Nadula Hair and how you've liked them thus far. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I will see you guys in my next video, and I love y'all so much. Bye.